Vlogmas this year, and we're just gonna see how it goes. I haven't really vlogged much because I haven't really felt like myself for the entire year. Actually, it's been since last October. I haven't really felt like myself. Lost my like spark, my motivation. And so I've been trying to make steps to make changes to just kind of get back to my happy, cheerful, go-getting kind of life. One big change is, as you can see, I got bangs. My daughter is in cosmetology, so she gave me a cute little haircut. And we're just going to go with it. Malcolm and I are gonna try to do a little craft. I tidied up on the kitchen. And we're just gonna do our everyday, like, day in the life. You can hear Malcolm playing in the background. I'm getting ready to prep us doing this little craft right now, and I'm gonna bring him in here. We're gonna try it and see how it goes. Yeah. That's cool, huh? Yeah. Do you want to try? Want to make one with a candy cane? Like this? Oh. Yeah. Want to make one? Will help Mommy make one? Will help? Like this? What do you think? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Look, it's a candy cane. What do you think? Yeah, gingerbread man. Peppy, peppy. Love you. Think so? Will it be a car? Yeah. Let's see. Here's a wheel. Another wheel. Ooh, blue car. Blue car. Does it look like a car? Ooh, yeah, blue car. What do you think? Do you like it? Ooh. Put a little hole in it. So we can drive. Yeah, a blue car. Little blue car. Okay, so we ended up with 2 candy canes, a wreath, and I put a hole in it so we can do ornaments. Because these will dry out overnight.
Oh, me.
Yeah, and we made a blue car for Malcolm.
Green.
Green. You want to make a dinosaur? Do you want to make a dinosaur? And Madeline's getting ready to go to marching band practice. She's got a car now. She's got a job now. Jay is off work and he's making a star. I like it. Malcolm is hard at work. Malcolm, what did you make?
Boss.
Ice cream. Did you make an ice cream cone? I like it. Good job, bud.
No.
That was actually really fun. What a great way to kick off Vlogmas. I do have advent calendars as well. We'll be starting those tomorrow. I'm gonna let the ornaments dry and then I'm gonna write on the back of them with permanent marker the year and you know, who made what, but he really enjoyed it. Right now he is mushing all of the leftover clay together and playing with it. Got it all over his pants, but it's okay. I'm willing to sacrifice some, you know, play pants for the cause of some entertainment. I have a bunch of like little crafts and stuff that I had planned throughout Vlogmas. My daughter is marching in the parade, 2 parades this weekend. One we're not going to go to because it's at night and it's not in the same city as us. The other one is in the afternoon, the one we go to every year, so I'm excited about that. We have a ton of parties and events and just all kinds of stuff coming up in this Vlogmas. Hopefully I can document it all and share it with you guys and just all have a lot of fun. So I was really nervous about, you know, this is the first year that Malcolm's kind of been around the trees as like a conscious person. He really knows what Christmas is, knows what a Christmas tree is, and I was so nervous to, you know, have a bunch of these trees up and everything, but he's, you know, after the first couple days, he's looked at them, said they're pretty, and, you know, hasn't really messed with any of the decor or the stockings. I think you just have to get the kids used to them. Look at Sammy. He's cuddling with the elephant over there. All he does is sleep all day. I know a lot of people ask about him. How come he's not much in the videos, but he just wants to sleep all day. Malcolm's favorite song and like video short is Hickory Dickory Crash by Super Simple Songs. And like the elephant crashes the clock, and you know, it's like a take on Hickory Dickory Dock. So if you hear him in the background going, "Oh no, Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, like he just kind of sings a song to himself and pretends everything is a clock and everything is the elephant that crashes stuff, you know, boys and wanting to smash and crash. So he just pretty much yells that all day. We have to play that song a billion times, and when he's allowed screen time, we turn on the Hickory Dickory Crash and he gets to watch it, and he absolutely loves it. But that's our life right now. I got him a oh no! I got him a oh no! A Hickory Dickory. I mean, I got him a little Fisher Price learning clock that he can play with for the Hickory Dickory stuff. So I'm very excited about that for Christmas. I'm eating some peanuts while he finishes playing with the stuff. I do apologize for his outfit. He plays hard, so his pizza ends up on his shirt, dirt ends up on his shirt, the clay is gonna end up on his shirt. But he's just a kid, he's just a boy, and I'd rather him have fun and dirty up his clothes daily than him be pristine and not have fun and do anything. So he's not usually allowed on the counter like this, but we made an exception for craft time. What was your opinion on dinner?
Can't go wrong.
That's right. You said it was gourmet.
That's right. Gourmet somewhere.
We just did bed and bath, and I'm letting Sammy out to go potty. And the kitchen is cleaned up for the night. We pre-made coffee. It's almost 8 o'clock. Baby's in the bed. And we are gonna have a little snack, watch some TV, and then go to bed ourselves because we are wore out and tired.